What's up, YouTube family? Once again, I am up here at Copart waiting on another vehicle to be brought out. It is actually going to be a tow rig so that I no longer have to get my own vehicles towed from up here. So here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna try to show y'all a quick run through. Just got the car brought out. So yeah, let's see. So steering wheel, as you can see, no airbags are blown. The glass up there is shattered on that corner. Let's see. Power windows work. It's 199,880 miles. Both windows work. Only light on, so I'm actually turn that off. Let me let the window back up. Hold on. So they must have jumped it off before they brought it out, because I'm trying to let the window up, and as you can see, I'm not getting any lights or anything. So let's take a look under the hood and see what's going on. Quick run around, I guess. As you can see, the bumper is messed up. Bumper here. Bumper here. This fender here is folded on this front end right here, so I'm not sure. It doesn't look like any core support issue or anything like that, just looking at the surface. So we'll see, I guess, when I get some of this stuff off. But yeah, like I said, the window is shattered there. Paint is coming off, but like I said, it's a tow rig, so that's not completely a bad thing or whatever. Tailgate is in good shape. This side of the truck is in pretty good shape. Got a tow ball right there, so that works. It's a slight dent here, but that's no biggie. Open the door. Back door. Like that. Back seat, so that's cool. That's pretty dope. Let me go see if this other door opens. It's the passenger door. It opens just fine, so the fender's not too messed up on this front end. Back door over here. So it's not bad, man. It's a pretty nice truck for a 2001. Almost 200,000 miles. This mirror is broke, but that's an easy fix. All of these front parts would be an easy fix. I'm gonna just go out to Pick and Pull here in Dallas and get all this stuff and replace it. So yeah, I'll show y'all more as I go, man.